Arts!
Welcome young artists to QTP Arts. Today we are drawing and coloring letters D, E, and F. Let's draw and paint together. I am drawing the letter D for dinosaur. I am drawing the letter E for elephant. Let's draw letter F. Yellow. Let's paint D. Blue. Now I am painting E. Peach. Let's paint F. This is so much fun! See you on next video. To watch this video, click the link given below in description.